In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your QuickBooks Online data. Having a reliable backup is essential to ensure the safety and accessibility of your business records. Let's dive right in and ensure your data is secure. First, let's head over to QuickBooks. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. For those who already have an account, simply click on the Sign In button to access QuickBooks Online. Once you're at the Sign In screen, proceed to enter your account credentials. Don't forget to confirm you're not a robot by completing the CAPTCHA, then click on the Continue button. This will take you to the password entry screen. Type in your password and click Continue once again. Now you'll want to choose the company file you wish to back up. With QuickBooks open, navigate to the home page. Here, you'll find the Settings option. Click on it. Under the Tools section, you should see the option to Backup Company. But before you proceed, check your QuickBooks subscription. The Online Backup and Restore feature is available only if you have QuickBooks Online Advanced. If you're using Essentials or Plus, consider selecting a third-party backup app from the Intuit App Store. Assuming you have QuickBooks Online Advanced, let's move forward to create your first backup. In the backup dashboard, you'll see the options New Backup or Manual Backup. Click on either, decide whether you want a full backup or prefer to select specific items. When you're ready, hit Run Backup Now to initiate the backup process. Congratulations, you're on your way to having a secure copy of your data. For even more convenience, let's set up automatic backups. Still inside the backup dashboard, go to either Settings or Schedules. Choose the frequency you prefer, whether that's daily, weekly, or a custom schedule. Save the schedule to keep your data protected without needing to remember to do it manually each time. If you ever need to change these settings, simply click on Change Backup Settings. It's good to review these settings periodically to ensure they still align with your business needs. Finally, when you need to download or restore, head over to your backup dashboard. Here you'll find all of your backup versions neatly listed. Simply choose the version you need and click Download to keep a local copy, or go with Restore if you need to roll back to a previous version in QuickBooks Online. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to back up your QuickBooks Online data. With these steps, your data will always be in safe hands, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: running your business. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to keep your backups up to date.